howdy. This is Dr. Astronomy from Homeless Astronomy, and I'm going to the beach. And we have arrived at the beach. Yep, I rode all the way over here on that damn scooter. Yeah, this is a pretty groovy spot, buddy. Get over here in about a half an hour. Let all the stress just fade away. This is the place to be. And I'm charging my scooter as I sit here. Yeah! Wish I had some money. Tourists. What's with all the tourists, man? And here's some ocean footage for Dominic and Jerry, who is actually who I rode over here to make this video for, because they love the ocean so much. They just begged me to come over here and do these daytime ocean videos. So here you go, guys. The ocean. Well, I guess that's going to do it for Dr. Astronomy and the beach. I have to get back to the mainland and cut the rest of the grass. I didn't do the backyard yesterday. So I will catch you later.